Hi guys, I thought I'd do a quick tour of my classic 78. Won't have this toolbox much longer. Just traded it, new one should arrive soon. So I'll just give you a quick tour of what's in this one. Right at the top there, we've just got the dial indicator at the back there, the base for it, wire brush, hole saw kit. Over there we've got the clutch aligner, Noid lights, 3/4 metric socket set, some balancer pullers, some wire brushes, some terminal back probes, G-scan, large pry bar and large 1/2-inch breaker bar, some magnets and bits under there. Top drawer we've got our screwdrivers and some scrapers, long picks, the short picks, and brake spring tools there, and hose pick. In here we've got all our multi grips, hose clamp pliers, large retaining clip pliers, and hose pinch off pliers. Underneath we've got a long nose and the standard long nose with the bends and the high leverage side cutters, linemen's, other side cutters, cable cutters, wire strippers and that along there, some hose cutters and stuff there. In this drawer we've got some punches, thread restoring kit, files, compression tester, impact driver, the burst set, left hand extractors, just a puller there, another puller there, the bearing cone punches, some small picks there, some seal picks and some scrapers, brass punches, another puller, quite a bit stuffed under there. Over here we've got our large files, blowtorch, hacksaw, tape measure, another blowtorch. Under that we've got a seal remover and slide hammer. Up here we've got the Blue Point multimeter there, a couple of test lights, some terminal tools, the soldering iron, the snap-on auto range multimeter there, some other testers and stuff underneath it. Snap grips, pipe spanners and shifters. And we've got the circlip pliers and tin snips up there. That's about it for the top one. Bottom one, so we keep most of the sockets and ratchets. So at the back there we've got deep impacts and shorts. Underneath there, long Torx bits. Go through ratchet there. Long screwdriver bits, all our ratchets and stuff along the back there, crow's feet, Torx bits, mauls, 3/8 impacts, swivel sockets and hex sockets and twist sockets and various sizes there, all our adapters, more crow's feet, E-sockets, swivels, then we've got our quarters in the shorts, semis and deeps. We've got 3/8 in shorts and impacts, more 3/8 in short and deep, and we've got our 1/2-inch and 1/2-inch impacts and other 1/2 inches over there. Painted all the inlays, it will pick it up. It's not really gonna to pick it up, but anyway, yeah, painted all those. got all their wrenches, so we've got different offsets there, and you know, ratchet ones, standard flank drawers, the socket head style shorts, and stubbies there. Underneath that we've got the long screwdrivers, Allen key short screwdrivers, pry bars, a bit of odd stuff there, and some of the extra long ones there. Underneath we've got imperials, more screwdrivers, pry bars, micrometer up the back there, verniers, the 4-ways in the metric, some magnets and mirrors and that there. Under here we've got all our cordless stuff, some air tools like the hacksaw, die grinders and bits and pieces there. And we've got our tap and die sets at the back, inspection camera, another set of verniers, some more Torx bits, screwdriver bits, 1/2-inch tack wrench. Down here we've got more spanners. In the back there we've got our large metrics, half moons, flexible pipe wrench, flexible ratchet and stubbies, ratchet and open-ended, ratchet and S-bends, double-ended ratchets there, some odd ones in the back, long ones there, some other long ones that I've had to modify to get the bends for certain jobs, and other cut-up spanners there, some large shifters. These are the large, the long ratchet and snap-on ones there, with a ratchet on one end and standard on the other. On the other side we got our extensions, 1/2-inch, 3/8, quarter, some speed braces, spark plug sockets and bits there. It's a bit of an odd drawer, it's got a bit of everything in there. More screw extractors, rulers, just bits and pieces, 3/8 torque wrench there. Under that we've got all our various size hammers. Down in the very bottom drawer we've got some, you know, 3/8 air ratchets, drills, rattle guns up to 3/4, you know, lots for cleaning out radiators, a brake bleeder, some trim tool kits, power steering remover, pulley remover, timing lights, and plenty of other stuff under there. And yeah, that's about it for that one. Thanks. Cheers for watching.